Hi, Bio11A, and welcome to week 8. I have a couple comments. I finished grading the last of the got lactase. It's an interesting case where all you need is the lack of one enzyme, and it wreaks havoc on your body. It's a big problem. So that's an interesting lab. And then this week you had Lord of the Ants, which is one of my favorite guys, Ed Wilson, such an amazing biologist. And the quizzes so far that have all come in were an average of 99%. So awesome work. That was really good. On this week 8, I want to ask you how your Punnett squares are. Make sure you know the Punnett squares because the next test has, do this Punnett square and then maybe 6 questions from that Punnett square. And then do this other Punnett square and another bunch of questions. So make sure that you practice those. Make sure that you know how to do those. And then you'll be great. What else? You have this week a stickleback lab. It's about a little tiny fish like this. And this fish has spines when it's in the presence of other big fish, predators that could eat it. And so it's a defense mechanism. But in places where lakes have been separated out from where there are big predators and there's no predators in these smaller lakes and these fish have been trapped in there, it turns out that they lose them. There's no need for this. And they lose some of these spines. So this is a really good example of evolution happening pretty fast, right? It's like 1,000 years, which is fast in evolutionary terms. So it's a really nice example. I hope you enjoyed that for this lab. Otherwise, we're doing well. We have spring break next week, which is really nice. We're delighted. And then you come back, and that's when the next exam is. So please be alert of that. You can either work hard this week and not have to use your spring break, or if that's a more peaceful time for you and you can use the spring break to study, I recommend that's a really good idea that you can do that. So get hold of me if you need to. My office hours are on the opening page of Canvas for Punnets, if you need me to help you with Punnett squares. If not, keep doing what you're doing. It seems to be working. And I won't be recording until after spring break. So have a fabulous spring break. See you soon, guys. Bye.